So this video is very interesting because in this video I'm going to show you how you can access someone ChatGPT chat history without logging to their account. This is a secret method that you can use both ethically or unethically, but this is very helpful if you want to learn some secret method and also want to access someone chat history. This will be also fun. So this is totally legal, nothing illegal or anything. It's just a secret search method that we are going to use Google search to get someone shared ChatGPT history. So as you know, if we access to ChatGPT, we can now just share any chat we do. So maybe there are some people those who are sharing their chat history to maybe on a social media or maybe share with someone else on Reddit, but you can access those chat history just by searching on Google. So let me show you how you can do it. So as you can see, if I just click on share icon, it will generate a public page from ChatGPT. This link will be public. If I just create a link and I can share it to anywhere, anywhere I want, and I can just open it without logging to ChatGPT. Now there is a search engine that you can use inside Google, and there are many people that creating this kind of pages, and now Google is started indexing those pages. So this is the search intent that I'm going to show you is site clone chatgpt.com/share, then your keyword what you want to search for. So let's say I want to learn for trading. So if I just, or maybe I can drop shipping. So let's say I want to learn from dropshipping secret method. So as you can see, when I search for dropshipping keyword, there is one page currently indexed on Google, and if I just open this one, this is not my page which I have been used or I have created. It's someone who shared this chat history to online. You can see all the details how they talk. Let's try another keyword. Let's say we want to learn for SEO. So if I search for SEO, you can see there are a lot of pages that people shared online. You can see SEO audit need more roster. So if I click on this one, it will open the shared page that someone else have created this chat inside ChatGPT. You can see please analyze this website or something like this. You can see now this is everything that you can see here. So this is the way how you can access someone's shared chat history on ChatGPT. So it's very essential that you always keep your shared ChatGPT secret, or otherwise it may be end up on Google search, or maybe someone maybe shared this one. And also ChatGPT officially said that it might be used against you legally if you use your chat history to share your personal information or something like this. So be cautious about this, and this is the way. Just search for this search intent on Google and replace with your keyword, and you can access to this kind of secret pages that index right now on Google. So thanks for watching. I hope you find this video interesting, and if you learned something new, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.